Hello.
Hi.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, sure. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So Zach,
Yes, what's up?
yeah, is it your real name or it's just shortcut?
Well, I mean, it's real, even though it's a shortcut.
Yeah, I see.
So look, Zach is short for Zachary.
Zachary. Yeah, it sounds similar to a name that Arabic people use. Arab people use. It's like Zachariah. I have a friend.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it comes
Yeah.
yeah, it's like, yeah, Arabic. And I guess my name comes from the Hebrew Zachariah. And in
Yeah.
Turkish,
I think it's
Zachariah.
originally an Arabic name.
Yeah, either that or Hebrew
Yeah.
is
Yeah,
interesting.
Hebrew has a lot of Arabic words. They have a lot of vocabulary in common. I think, yeah, as I read about. So where are you from?
I'm from Virginia.
Virginia. Is it in United States?
Yeah, it's a state in the USA.
Yeah, Virginia, yeah. I can remember it from a series that I've watched a long time ago. Is it a noisy city? I don't know. It's a noisy area, noisy state. It has a lot of big
Mm,
cities.
No, actually, it doesn't really have big cities at all. It's got a
Mm-hmm.
couple of populated areas, but I wouldn't say big city. The capital, Richmond,
Mm-hmm.
and the industrial area in Norfolk.
Ah, industrial. So
Yeah.
you have a lot of
Oh,
companies that build, I don't know, cars or maybe.
well, no, actually, I think Virginia's biggest industry is tobacco.
Tobacco.
I mean agriculture,
Yeah, I see.
but yeah, like there's a lot of farms in Virginia,
Hmm.
but there's also a lot of service. Over half of
Service.
yeah, the service sector, health, social services, health services, retail services, technical services. Um,
Is
this
it
is
something
the
like, you know, those people who receive calls from people asking for support or something like that?
I'm sorry, can you repeat
A
that?
calling center or something like that? You
Yeah, there are a
said.
lot of colleges. Yeah.
Mhm.
Virginia has a couple of famous colleges. One of them is UVA, University of Virginia. It's
Mhm.
a hospital, and it's one of the top hospitals for um, heart
Oh.
cardiology.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Nice. And you were born there or in
Well,
another
no,
state?
I grew up there, but I was born in California. But after 1 year, we moved to Virginia, and I spent 23 years there. So I grew up in Virginia, but I was
Yeah.
born in California. And then when I was about 23 years old, I moved to
Yeah.
Turkey.
Ah, now you're in Turkey. So when you were about my age, you traveled to Turkey.
Yes.
Yeah, that's cool. And how long have you been in Turkey?
I've been here since 2013, so about 7 years.
Okay, let's see, 23, 7 years. Now you are 30
Oh,
years
very
old.
close, very close. 31.
Ah, okay. Because you said that you moved to Turkey when you were 23,
Yeah, well, I'm sorry. Maybe it was I was 23. Let me think. It was
almost 24.
let's do some math. Are you good at math? Um,
No, not at
okay,
all.
me neither. So let's work it
But
out. Uh,
yeah, let's improve our
November,
math.
yeah, November 2012, I
Hmm.
came to Turkey. So I was here like 1 month. So I say 2013. My
Yeah,
birthday is October 27th.
I see.
So I came in November. So whichever birthday that was in 2012. I'm 31 now. My birthday's this year. So last year, 2019, I was 31.
Yeah.
We go back to 7 years. That's 2012, October. I was 24. Yeah,
24.
that's it.
Yeah,
So I had just turned 24.
24.
1 month after my birthday, I came to Turkey.
Yeah. And are you enjoying it? I see you've been you lived there for 7 years. You must you must be enjoying it.
Well, it's been a kind of a rough ride, but
Hmm.
yes, I'm currently stable. Things are going all right, better
Yeah,
than they have gone in my past, so I can't complain.
I see. Yeah. Do you have any kind of commitment? Any kind of, I don't know, something like
Well,
that?
oh yeah, I have. Well, I mean, commitment. Well, sure. I mean, work commitment, relationship commitment.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah.
Yeah, I have a girlfriend. We have been together about 4 years,
Mm-hmm.
and these 4 years have been kind of like been real crazy, but now things are
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
And it wasn't because of her actually. We both of us we lived a divorce
Mm-hmm. I see.
about 4 years ago. Both of us were going through some issues.
Mm-hmm.
So my first 3 years here in Turkey was
Yeah.
probably
Is
like
she
I would
is
say
she is
the
she
worst.
Turkish?
Yes, and my
Yeah.
previous commitment was Turkish also. But some
Yeah.
it's just one thing about relationships. They're really difficult. I don't know if you have any. Are you married or?
No, I'm not. I don't know. I had, I had some commitments, but they ended so fast.
Yeah.
So I didn't experience like a real one, a real relationship.
What was your longest relationship?
I don't know. It lasted for maybe 1 year.
Uh-huh. That's kind of a
Then,
long time.
but I don't know. It wasn't that deep.
Was it like a high school or university
Yeah, it's related
thing?
to school. When I was studying at, you know, in a trade school,
Mm-hmm.
we met there and yeah, we stayed together, but you know,
Excuse me.
yeah, no problem. And now I have no commitment.
Well, what do you think about that?
Uh, I don't know. You tell me you have experience.
Well, I mean, I've had a couple of girlfriends in my life, but
Mhm.
at 31, I would say as an American, my numbers are low. You know,
Yeah,
a lot of
compared
Americans
to.
they date many people, and
Hmm.
in my life, I only try to, my I guess I entered a relationship thinking I want it to be something serious, long
Yeah,
term, something that
yeah.
continued. But
It
of
does.
course,
It's not easy.
yeah, it's not
It's hard
easy.
to find the person that shares with you the same idea, the
Yeah,
same goal.
yeah, it's really hard. So, for me, I just got really, really, really lucky.
Hmm.
My girlfriend fell in love with me,
Hmm.
and this is something which, the men can only dream about happening.
Yeah.
If a woman falls in love with you, if you also fall in love with her, then it's
Yeah.
100% good in the beginning.
But after the challenges, the
Yes,
challenges starts to come, the struggles, the problems,
right.
and
You have
if you
to.
guys go through it, then it's real. It's not just a joke.
That's right. When you first meet each other and you have this
Yeah.
feeling, then you spend the next parts of your time learning about each other.
Yeah.
And you're right. You learn about each other. You go through struggle with each other, and
Yeah, you
if
start to
you're
see flaws in each one of you. The because when we met someone the first time, we always try to appear good, to show something that is not, maybe sometimes it's not true about our real personality, but
yeah,
with time we start to show our real, behaviors, our real face, I don't know.
that's right.
Then you see how the other person reacts.
That's right. And this is why my previous relationship failed, because
Mhm.
it started as an online relationship, and when you're behind a computer screen, life is perfect, and
Yeah, life is
everyone is
perfect.
wonderful and
Yeah.
kind and friendly. But then when you experience a real life and pass time with that person in real life, when you meet them,
Hmm.
we say in English, true colors.
True colors.
They
Yeah.
show their true colors, and unfortunately, this is what happened.
Yeah.
And for both of our benefit, we agreed to finish the relationship.
Well, that was a
Yeah, yeah.
wise choice.
Fortunately, there wasn't a like it was a big problem, but it wasn't like my parents. When my parents divorced,
Yeah.
it was bad because they had children. I didn't
Yeah.
have any children.
You didn't. Yeah. You didn't have like this. I don't know.
Extra
Ex
commitment, extra
extra
responsibility.
command, extra responsibility.
Yeah, if you have kids, then it's over. Everyone will have a bad life
Yeah.
compared to,
Yeah. Your problems will affect your children, and you know they don't deserve that.
right. Nobody deserves that. And
Yeah.
especially children because they didn't choose to become part of the
Yeah.
world.
They didn't. Yeah. They didn't choose you, and they
Yeah,
didn't
they
choose to
didn't choose
come.
to be here, but they are dealing with what
Yeah.
is here. And that is
And
why
and now
I
they have to deal with your problems.
yeah. And
Yeah.
that is why I decided to finish that relationship before children because we had talked, she really wanted to have kids and I really
Hmm.
didn't.
Yeah.
But if I wasn't strong enough, maybe I would have said, maybe I would say, okay, sure,
Yeah.
and then live my life in pain, live my life feeling bad. This is not
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
so
don't
that's
know. This
why I
is
made it.
this is yeah. This is, I don't know. We have to think so deeply before, you
Yeah,
know, going seriously about something.
yeah, so that's probably why it's pretty good that you're single now, because then now you have time for yourself. You can do everything
Yeah.
yourself. You
I
can
can
focus.
work on myself,
You
or
can, yeah,
prove myself.
right, you
Then
can get everything you want, and then if you want female, a wife, maybe you
yeah.
don't want children. Maybe you just want a girlfriend.
Yeah.
I don't
And
know.
with time you will see what you need, and you will do whatever you want.
Yeah, that's the thing. Like I thought about that before, just doing my own thing.
It's 5 seconds, so
Oh,
maybe
all
we
right.
can
Nice to meet
complete
you.
this conversation later. Bye
Sure.
bye.
Nice to meet you. Bye.